Everybody makes money when the market is rising, but what determines whether it will make you wealthy or leave you bleeding on the side of the road is what you do during the times it is collapsing. J.L. Collins, author of the famous stock series that later became one of the best personal finance books ever written, Simple Path to Wealth, a true FI legend. This is J.L. Collins on the upcoming market crash. Chances are, if you are pursuing financial independence, then you'll be most likely investing in the stock market through low-cost passive index funds. I often come across videos on YouTube or articles in the media predicting when the next market crash is coming and how to approach it. Some people may suggest selling stocks and sitting in cash on the sidelines. This is a bad choice. Others might suggest being overly diversified across stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities and alternatives to manage the potential volatility and risk. A lot of experts will suggest this diversified approach, but the issue is, to do this properly requires a lot of work and knowledge to understand all those asset classes, deciding on percentage allocations, which funds or ETFs to use to get exposure and rebalancing the portfolio, etc. In the words of J.L. Collins, all of this to guarantee subpar performance over time while offering the hope of increased security. So what are we to do? Jim says, toughen up and cure your bad behaviour. The cure is to recognise what causes bad investment behaviour and correct it yourself. Market crashes are normal. Take a look at this chart. Market crashes are to be expected and have happened plenty of times before, and they will happen plenty of times again in the future. The market always recovers, and if it doesn't, then no investment will be safe and there will be more to worry about than your retirement pot. Tins of beans and bottles of water will probably be more important to you than regretting not adding a small allocation to REITs in your portfolio. The next 10, 20, 30 or 40 years will have just as many collapses, recessions and disasters as in the past. It's not possible to predict them or prevent them. Every time a crash happens, the media will tell you to sell and the fear will feel real. You will inevitably see your hard-earned investment pot plummet, and as always, the investors with enough nerve will prosper. In the words of Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. The market always goes up, always. Not each day, or month, or year. It won't be a smooth ride, but over the long term, the stock market has been the single best performing asset class over time. So what should we do in a market crash? Probably nothing. This is why you need to toughen up, ignore the noise and stick to your investment strategy and ride out the storm. And not only ride it out, but when the market is in freefall, be the contrarian that is buying, not selling. To do this, you need to know these bad things are coming. They will happen, they will hurt, but like blizzards in winter, they should never be a surprise. And, unless you panic, they won't matter. There's a major market crash coming, and there'll be another after that. What wonderful buying opportunities there'll be.